Okay, warm-up problem number 1. Okay, answer for this one is 7. Number 2. Okay, answer for that one was -1. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one, 100. Number 4. Okay, answer for this one is 1. Number 5. Okay, answer for this one is 8. Alright, go ahead and bring up your lottery number. Alright, homework check. Go ahead and take it to Mr. Skinner. Okay, answers for 1 through 3 are 5, 9, and 4. Okay, answers are -4, -1, and -2. Okay, answers are 11, 4, and -3. Okay, answers are -3, 10.3, or 10 1/3, and 3. Okay, answers are 8, 2, and 2. Okay, any questions on the homework? Mr. Skinner, are there any papers to pass out today?
Yeah.
Alright, objective for today is to solve a multi-step equation. And our learning target, you should be able to solve an equation with one variable that has a negative coefficient. Okay, example number 1. First thing we need to do is get rid of our 4. It's a +4, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. So we have -2x left over on the left side. A -2 minus 4 is going to give us a -6 on the right. We need to divide by -2 on both sides. -6 divided by -2 is going to give us a +3. And that's our answer. For example 2, we have -4x minus 7 is equal to -39. So we have a -7 on this side, which means we need to add 7 to get rid of it. When we add 7 on this side, these cancel out. We have -4x. On the right side, we have -32. Next, we need to divide by -4. -32 divided by -4 is going to give us a +8. Okay, practice problem number 1. We have -2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So we have a +2. We need to subtract 2 from either side. Our +2 and our -2 are going to cancel out. We have -2x left over on the left side. On the right, we have 8 minus 2. It's going to be 6. Then we divide by -2. A +6 divided by a -2 is going to give us a -3 for our answer. Okay, answer for this one is -2. Okay, practice problem number 2. We have -3x plus 3 is equal to -15. We have a +3, so we're going to subtract 3 from either side. That's going to give us a -3x on this side. After we have a +3 and a -3, those are going to cancel out. On the right side, we have -15 minus 3. That's going to give us a -18. We divide by our -3. -18 divided by -3 is going to give us a +6. Okay, answer for that one is going to be x is equal to -3. Okay, for example 3, we have -3x plus 14 is equal to 5. So we have a +14 on this side, which means we need to subtract 14 from either side. On the left, we have -3x left over. On the right, we have 5 minus 14. That's going to be equal to -9. When we divide by -3, a negative divided by a negative is going to be positive, so our answer will be 3. For example 4, we have -2x minus 4 is equal to 14. So we have a minus 4 here, which means we need to add 4 to both sides. When we add 4 to both sides, these are going to cancel out. So on the left, we have negative 2x. On the right, we have 14 plus 4, which is going to be 18. We need to divide by negative 2 on both sides. So we have x is equal to negative 9. Okay, practice problem number 3. We have negative 4x plus 21 is equal to 49. We need to subtract 21 from both sides. On the left side, we're left with negative 4x. On the right side, we're left with positive 28. We're going to divide by negative 4. So we have x is equal to negative 7. Okay, answer for that one is 2. Alright, practice problem number 4. Problem, we have negative 5x minus 11 is equal to negative 51. First thing we need to do, we need to add 11 to both sides. When we do that, these cancel out. We have negative 5x on the left. Oops. On the right, we have negative 40. When we divide by negative 5, a negative divided by a negative is going to give us a positive. So negative 40 divided by negative 5 will give us positive 8. Okay, answer for this one was negative 1. Speed problems. It'll be the first 7 gets 1 million. Number 1. Okay, answer for this one is negative 3. Number 2. Answer was 4. Number 3. Okay, answer for this one was 10. Number 4. Answer for this one is 5. Number 5. Answer for this one, 4. Okay, example 5. In these problems, our x is going to be in this position. We have 3 minus 2x is equal to negative 1. We need to subtract 3 from both sides. This is a positive 3, so to get rid of it, we need to subtract 3. On the left side, we're going to have negative 2x. On the right side, we're going to have negative 1 minus 3. It's going to give us negative 4. We divide by negative 2 on both sides. So we have x is equal to positive 2. For example 6, we have negative 8 minus 4x is equal to negative 40. We have a negative 8, so we need to add 8 to both sides. When we do that, those cancel out. On the left side, we're left with a negative 4x. On the right side, we have negative 40 plus 8. That's going to give us a negative 32. And when we divide by negative 4, our answer is going to be positive 8. Okay, practice problem number 5. For the practice problem, we have negative 20 minus 5x is equal to 25. We're going to add 20 to both sides to get rid of our minus 20 over here. When we do that, those cancel out, so we're left with a minus 5x on the left. On the right, we have 25 plus 20. That's going to be 45. So when we divide by negative 5, we're going to get negative 9. Okay, answer for this one should be 8. Okay, practice problem number 6. Problem, we have 5 minus 3x is equal to 23. We need to subtract 5 from both sides. When we do that, we have a minus 3x on the left. On the right, we have a positive 18. So we need to divide by our negative 3, and that's going to give us an answer of negative 6. Okay, answer for this one is negative 6. Okay, example problem number 7.
I think we're out of time.